These videos are not financial advices. Everything shared here is provided for educational purposes only. Welcome to 30 Trades in 30 Days Trading Challenge. The rules for this challenge is very simple. We take one trade per day. If we win that, we stop the session. If we lose that, we double the amount on the next trade. Hello everyone and welcome to today's trading session. I found the trade right now. This is a beautiful doji break, and then we have inverted hammer on the support area. This is a reversal sign, and also gap down in the favor of buyers. This is exhaustion candle. This is today's session. I just found it, and I will explain in more detail what do I mean by exhaustion candle and basically why did I take this trade. Before explaining the exhaustion candle, I want to announce that the free to join trading competition is started. You can join now. It's obviously free to join with free learning material and also reward for top 15 traders. This is a very great opportunity for those who cannot afford paid mentorship. And yeah, this is just gonna be great. So basically, if you have a trend, okay, and this trend or momentum is pretty weak, okay? How do we know if that's weak? We see long shadows from ups and downs, kind of indecision. It doesn't know where it's going, okay? So just like this. You see the rejection from the downside. It shows me that there's not enough sellers or buyers to push the direction. And this at this stage, sometimes we have exhaustion candle like this, and it usually happens when there's a demand area somewhere, okay? This is a demand area. If this trend is weak and there's not enough sellers or buyers to have a direction, exhaustion candle comes to the game and connect the weak sellers to the somewhere that the buyers can enter, okay? And example, like this is a buy example. See, the market has been weak and there's a demand area up here, for example. Okay. And the market has been moving in sideways. And then all of a sudden you see a big candle connecting these weak momentum, trend to somewhere that the next sellers or buyers can enter. Okay, so that's what do we mean by exhaustion candle, right? This one, and this is a demand area. So this exhaustion candle is breaking a doji, okay? It's breaking a doji, and the next candle gives us an inverted hammer. So in the points of interest, resistance or support, if we see inverted hammer like this, it's sign of reversal. Okay, it's sign of reversal. It means that the buyers pushed them enough, and that they created this rejection, and at the last seconds the sellers pushed it down. Okay, if the hammer also didn't create a lower low, it's even a better sign for reversal. Okay, because this hammer candle could be like this, right? It could be like this, creating a lower low compared to previous low. But now that we see that it has a higher low, it shows me that the bars are strong here and they're gonna enter. And so we have doji break, we have exhaustion candle, and what else do we see here is this gap down. So now that I'm thinking about reversal, I see this huge gap down, right? Gap down. Basically, if you see candles moving like this, basically this candle is supposed to open where the previous candle has closed, right? This candle closed here, the next candle opens from here. This candle closed here, next candle opens from here. It comes down. All of a sudden, instead of next candle opening from here, it jumps up and opens from here. Okay? So this is called gap up because it jumps up and opens up there. Similar for bars, price. Okay, so this is gap up in the favor of sellers. Gap up always in the favor of seller. For example, if we had a buy setup here, we would avoid it because this is a gap up. Now, instead of gap up, if it jumps down and starts from down here, it's called gap down. And gap down is a confirmation for buyers. Okay, so here we have gap down in the favor of buyers. Right here, if you zoom, here, gap down in the favor of buyers. Also, the price is in somewhere like here. This is, wait, I don't know if this is fresh. This is demand area, there's order blocks, and this has been a respected resistance. So this is generally somewhere that the market can respect. Adding up all the reasons, it gives me the chance of taking this trade. Okay, this is also a QM. The price is actually reacting from a QM zone. Yeah, that was today's session. This way of trading, it may, you know, the videos may be short, but it feels much better compared to taking 10 trades per session. Yeah, like I should try to start recording this session before I finding my trade. I think this way the videos will be short, will be longer, but I'm afraid that it will be a bit boring because sometimes it takes like 15 minutes to find this kind of trade. Okay, yeah, that was it for today's trade. I hope you enjoyed. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and join the Telegram channel, and peace out.